In this video, I'm going to show you how to evaluate the zeros of a function. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've kind of got messy stuff in here. I'm just going to get rid of it by clearing my calculator. Hit Dock B. That will clear your calculator. I'm going to toggle back over to my graph part of my Scratchpad. If you happen to click out of it, you can hit the tab and it will bring that F back. Then I'm going to type in my function in, which is going to be x squared minus x minus 12, and hit enter. All right, now I'm going to show you a skill. We don't have to do it on this problem, but it's kind of an interesting skill to have. We can zoom on this in different ways. So menu, I'm going to go to Windows Zoom. Sometimes I like to start with a zoom fit, and you'll notice that I can get the whole graph on there. It kind of lets me see it. It isn't always the best, but it works. If I want to go back to the original way it was, I can go to Zoom Standard. Or I could just adjust the window. So I'm going to try adjusting the window. So I go Menu, Window Zoom, Window Settings. And I'm going to say, I'm not going to adjust my X's. I'm just going to adjust my Y's. I'm going to say like -15 for my Y's. And then click OK. Now I can see a pretty good picture of my graph. Now I'm going to analyze what those zeros are. We could read them right off of there, but we can use the calculator to do it just in case they aren't exactly on where we think they are. So I'm going to go to Menu, Analyze Graph, 0. Go to the left. Notice it said lower bound, and I just clicked somewhere to the left of where my 0 was. And then I'm going to drag this line, and notice, oh, 0 popped up. So now I'm just going to, where it says upper bound question mark, I'm just going to click again. And then I get one of my zeros as -30. I'm going to do this again. Menu, Analyze Graph, 0. Lower bound, I'm going to click somewhere to the left. And remember, I'm using this little trackpad to move. You can't touch the screen of your actual calculator. It doesn't work. So we're going to go to the left. It says upper bound, and I'm just going to drag it till I hit the right, and I get the zeros. So those are how you get the zeros on your calculator.